So I had a problem with a raccoon killing some of my chickens, so I've been working on a new chicken pen. I want to give you guys a preview. Now I'm almost finished with it. I have to put my roofing on, and I have to close this area in here with some pallet wood. Then after that, I'm going to build a door for this interior divider in case I want to separate my chickens out. I got to get all this scrap stuff out of here. And then after that, all I have left is my exterior door, and they will be ready to move in. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you do that, and I will give you guys a full video showing what I did, just kind of doing a walkthrough of it once it's finished. We'll see you guys then.